for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Accord. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find Bluetooth, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, power steering, panic alarm, cloth seat trim, passenger vanity mirror. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.